You're welcome. In this video, we're looking at how you can give admin access to your Google business account. Moving forward, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and as well share this video. First of all, you have to make sure your Gmail account is logged in. Alright, log in your Gmail account. Okay, mine is already logged in here. As you can see, the profile here. Log into your Gmail account, then come to your search bar. This is your search bar, and type Google My Business. Alright, just scroll down a little. It's going to show you the business accounts that your Gmail account is managing. Alright, so these are the Google business profile that this Gmail account has here. Alright, then you choose the profile account you want to give admin access to. I'm giving admin access to this profile account. I'm giving admin access to a user to this profile account. So I click on view profile. Then when you get to this interface, you come to this three bar and click on business profile. From here you click on people and access. Of course, as you can see, there is already a pending request here. Okay, so you come to this ad and type in the Gmail account you want, the user account you want to give access to. Possibly maybe you want the user to manage your account for you, make an edit, help you with postings or verification. All right, that could be one of the reasons why you are giving the user access. So you type in the Gmail account of the user. So this is still the same user that I want to give access, right? So you choose either manager or owner. All right, in a situation maybe you want to give maybe an admin verification, admin access for verification, it's advisable you go with owner, but make sure that the user is an individual you can trust, or the business an individual you can trust. So you choose owner, you click on invite, and an invite is going to be sent to this Gmail account. So tell the user or the business individual to accept the invites, and boom, that's all. Thank you.